AKA's Dynamics Advantage for Asset Management video series, Enterprise Reporting.
From a management perspective, how can you see all the different lines of business and transactions going on in your firm rolled up in one place? We see the issue for most firms is that each line of business operates very differently from one another, and the data is contained within different systems. So it's very difficult and sometimes even impossible to get an accurate view, or at least a timely one. What makes it even trickier is that data can often be in different formats with different reporting systems and typically no central reporting capability. So how do you get the data you need in the format you want and be able to make timely business decisions? With the open platform provided by Dynamics, coupled with machine learning and AI, you can leverage tools you already own and will work best for you to meet your goals and address your challenges. Let's look at a few examples. Here I am in my Office 365 portal, and I can just very quickly jump to the reporting capabilities. Now I'm going to drill down into one of several reports that I have. And so we can see that it is summarizing information by market value, by fees, by number of clients. We can do some additional drilling down by showing us the different types of clients and the different types or lines of business, right? So there's our institutional, there's our private client, there's maybe our key accounts, right? So the data very quickly and easily is navigatable by these simple filters. I can look at it by customer, for example, by line of business. So there's our institutional, there's our private client, there's our retail. Even if you're not an organization that has multiple lines of business, reporting is still very challenging, and this can help you certainly as well. Let's take another look at some of our dashboards and say not only can we drill into data, but we can also ask questions of our data. What are the top 5 funds? There we go. There's our top 5 funds. Very quick and very simple. I could ask it a different question. Who are the top 10 advisors? And there we go. There's our top 10 advisors. If I want to see additional information, such as see the numbers on the screen, I just simply go in and do a little quick format, and there we go. There's additional information right at our fingertips. But that's great, but we can also change this and say, who are our bottom 10 advisors? And there's the bottom 10. Now, this information can be surfaced literally anywhere. So if you happen to be a Dynamics Advantage for Asset Managers user, you'll be able to see this information surfaced right inside of your CRM application. We can also surface it inside of Excel. So if we want to open up this report, drill into the details, and export it to Excel for additional analysis, we can do that as well. So this detail will be available inside of Excel. Not only that, but it's even very helpful if I happen to be a road warrior. We're going to show you how you can access that same information on your mobile device. So there's my Power BI. I simply open it up. There's my asset management workspace. And there we go. There's the same information at my fingertips. I can even drill down into this details. If I wanted to, for example, see the reports, we can see the reports. It'll flip over. And now I can see the exact same information that we saw earlier right here on my mobile device. So it's very helpful for me to be able to see this regardless of whether I'm in the office or on the road. Please be sure to check out the other videos in this series.